Okay guys, ever wanted a section that mixes product tags with real customer review style visuals without a complicated setup? Well, this section keeps it simple while still giving you full control. Today we're adding this rich text section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Collection. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. In the content settings, you can add an eyebrow text and add your heading too, along with turning that custom option on. There's more heading styling here as well, and you can customize the layout settings fully based on your own preference. Below that, you've got spacing and color settings too, all fully adjustable. Now let's move to the media items. You can set the media type to image or video, and add whatever you'd like. I'm just adding a random image for now. Below that, there's an external link, a fallback product title in case no product is linked, and a fallback price too. You can also add a rating, reviewer name, review date, and the review caption text. Below that, there's an other tagged option too. I'll go ahead and add my media items one by one, step by step, based on my own store. Once you've customized everything the way you'd like, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.